Hello, Intuitive Art friends. It's Rachel Archelaus here, founder of the Intuitive Art Academy. I've got a bunch of merch and we're gonna tie-dye it today. We're also going to tie-dye some blank things and then put some of our social media sayings on there. We're gonna see what we can do with these. For now, we're gonna tie-dye everything. I have a white hoodie and I have a blue and a pink sweatshirt that don't have a hood. If you feel like you want to tie-dye some of this stuff, you can go to our shop, intuitiveart.com/shop, get yourself a sweatshirt and tie-dye it yourself. I would love to see what you do. So let's get into it. I am not a tie-dye expert. I've actually never done this before. I did the process that uses bleach, so it's like a little bit similar of how you prepare the garment, but it's not using dye and you don't actually squirt anything on it. So let's see how it turns out. I'm excited about these colors. Okay, so here we go. I've prepared my table with some old towels, so it doesn't matter if I get dye on that. And this is my crafting table, so it doesn't even matter if I get dye on that. Oh, and these are spray bottles. Interesting. Okay, so these are spray bottles instead of those squirt bottles that squirt a lot. You know, like if you have them for your kitchen, you can put olive oil in them. That's what I'm used to seeing. We have to scrunch this up so that it makes a pattern, so that it's not just like sprayed on dye. So let's make this into some kind of design. I happen to like just the random scrunched up thing the best, so let's try that. I'm just gonna bunch it all up and then put on some of these elastics, and we'll see what we get. I don't know why tie-dye is so exciting, but I'm really excited. I think it's because you really don't know what you're gonna get. And as adults, when do we ever put ourselves in that position? We try to know ahead of time what we're getting into. Alright, right now this looks like a little monster ghost or something. And I'm totally cool with that. So let's pick out our colors. I'm going to use everything except black and glow in the dark. So we have to shake these up instead. Let's glove up and see what we get. Alright, I hope this works. Ooh! That's very bright and wide. Wide spray. I guess we'll do the back separately. Feels more like spray paint than tie-dye. It's not that wet, you know? Maybe I need to get this wet before I do it. I'm trying to kind of spray it in the parts that don't have anything in there yet, you know, so that it shows up. Alright, I am also gonna touch it. I don't know how much that's gonna do, but Alright, let's water this baby up. I think that'll help. I don't know, maybe meld it or do something. This is the tote bag. So the nozzle was a little clogged on the purple at the end, and so it started making these stripes, so I just went with it and it made it look intentional. And these kind of look similar at the moment. This I'm really excited about. This is my little makeshift studio, by the way. It's a work in progress. But I have all my crafting supplies and my machines over here. So I'll see you tomorrow and we will actually turn these into something we can wear. Hello friends, it's the next day. Now we can take off these bands and see what the shirts look like. I wanted to do this so badly last night, but I waited for you. So this is our second sweatshirt that we did, the blue one. Oh, it's cool. All right, it's very minimal. This dye doesn't seem to seep into the clothing that much because you're spraying it and not really dumping it, but I like that. That's really nice. Okay, cool. So let's look at the first one we did, which honestly I have the smallest hopes for, but we'll see. Who knows? I could be wrong. Like I said, I've never actually done this before. Maybe at camp as a little kid, but I only went to camp for like 4 days, so I might have missed that. All right, let's see. What do we think? It's kind of a mess. It just looks like a painting sweatshirt. Like, it looks like this is what we wear when we do our arts and crafts, which is okay, but maybe not going to be something that you try to emulate. All right, but we're not done. This is the pink sweatshirt. So I'm glad that this still has a lot of pink, and we folded this one differently, so that's why it's more striped. It's okay. Let's see. I do like it, and when it's on a body, it's gonna wrap around more, so it won't be so noticeable that it stops. Okay, this is a win. I like this one. Here's the tote bag, which you pretty much saw. We didn't crumple this one up or anything, but that'll look really good as a background for one of our sayings. So here's the shirt. I love this. To me, this is really stylish. I love this. I love how speckled the black is. I love all the colors that came in through here. Ooh, this is gonna be wonderful. Maybe we'll start carrying these. Like, we'll actually dye them and then print them and carry them in our store. Let me know if you'd like that, because I'm excited. So what I need to do now is heat set these, and then I will apply our little sayings to these two, and then I'll show you the final results.
Like Julia from
Right, so she'll put on like
actually
sewing sunsets with my mom and my dad, and I can't help but notice how dressed up everybody is always, like constantly wearing beautiful outfits.
I am so happy with how this shirt and the tote bag turned out. So here is the tote bag. I love it so much. It's amazing. I love the colors. I love the shine, but I love the shirt too. So here is the shirt. I love the glitter. I love the colors together. I love how there's a little bit of black, and so the black glitter really makes sense. I just love it. I would totally wear this. Maybe I should put it on. Thanks so much for doing this with me. It was so much fun. If you want to see another video like this, let me know. And if you want to purchase anything that you see here, let me know and we'll put it in the shop. Super love. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.